Hey, welcome to my video. First of all, I would like to clarify that this video is not made from any professional point of view. This video is just to share my knowledge and experience related to cryptocurrency that I have gained in last few years in this field. What I have observed that the people who come into cryptocurrency, they invest into cryptocurrency for the first time, they come with a mindset that they will become millionaire or billionaire within a very short period. That's not true. That's not the right mindset to come in. Like any other field, this also needs proper understanding and a proper strategy to gain from it. Usually people come with that mindset and they, within a short span of time, they lose their investment and quit the field, and then they blame this field. That's not true. People are earning from this, you know that, but you have to be careful in selecting which project you should do and which one you should avoid. Even if you are a beginner, you don't have any knowledge in this, still you can earn. I went through many projects, studied many projects, and what I felt the best project to invest in 2022, the best project you can start with in cryptocurrency, because whatever you read, you learn, it is not complete until you try it practically. So you can start your practical experience. You can start with the project called Hegex. This is an AI bot. They put your money in Bitcoin only, and their commitment, this project is designed so well that you don't lose your principal investment. You only gain from it. Why? How this works? Let me explain you in a few lines. Many projects, they commit you that they will give monthly return of such and such if you invest in that or something like that. But they are not clear if the market crashes, how they are going to give that return. In this project, it is very clearly defined that they will share with you the earnings when they earn a profit. If the market is down, the prices are going low, then in that time they will accumulate, they will purchase the coin. During that period, they are not going to share anything with you because they are not earning, they are not gaining any profit. Again, when the market rises, they earn from that, they earn profit from that, and that profit is shared with you. So this is a genuine commitment. Any company can share with you only when they gain. They can't share with you when they are losing. From where will they bring? For a short period, if they manage it also, in long run, that company will vanish from the scenario. So this shows that this company has a long-term strategy, a long-term plan that will work. People are so much believing this project that I have seen people investing more than $50,000, not one or two, many, because this is a genuine and very nice project. You don't have to do anything. You can, if you are a beginner, you don't have much knowledge, you just put your money and you will constantly keep getting returns. The last 9-month return that this company has shared with people is in between 7.5% to 24.59%. In December last year, it was 7.5%, the lowest, because the market was really down. It was a bearish market. But in October, when the market was bullish, at that time people have gained a profit of for 24.59%. So you can, from that you can see the average return is obviously more than 10%. Hegex has developed the trust within your investors. You can imagine that or understand that from this a single fact that is I have seen a single investment of $60,000 by a gentleman. So from this you can understand how trustworthy this project is. And believe me, when you go through the system, when you understand the system, you will see that you don't need any much knowledge, or I will say even if you have basic knowledge of cryptocurrency, that is more than enough. You have to just put your money into the system. The system will generate a profit for you and keep giving you constant earnings every month. The profit that is gained is distributed on the same day. That's the amazing thing. You don't have to wait for a longer time. And that is given in a stable currency form, that is USDT. So your even if you store it, even if you keep it in your wallet or in the system, the price of that doesn't fluctuate much. You must have idea of the USDT price. It is more or less constant around $1. So that's why I recommend for any beginner to start with this project. They will have a good experience, and from this project they can earn and they can go on studying and investing and grow their portfolio. One more thing, this project is bringing their own token in 2022 that is named Bitorio, and there also every documentary formalities has been completed and are going to launch their exchange very soon. That is also I have seen that interface, that is under development, and it is also very good. I have shared a link below in the description box. From that you can register and you can clarify. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. We will be in contact. I will get your contact details and I will keep in touch with you if you need any sort of clarification or understanding. I will be more than happy to share my knowledge and experience in this field with everyone. So go ahead, register yourself, and I am sure you will have a nice experience in this field. Thank you for watching this video. Keep in touch and happy earning. Thanks. Bye.